Hello everybody! You wanna see our next toy? What you haven't seen? Yep, it's here. Our Turbo Hayabusa. We built this bike on our TV show what we did to Telia. We had 5 days time to build this bike on our TV show. The link is on the description if you wanna watch how we built this. You can watch it free. But anyway, it's a Hayabusa, Suzuki Hayabusa. Generation 2. There is a Proboost Turbo Kit on it, and we did a video like a couple weeks ago where we are showing how to install that turbo kit. I don't know, if you get 10,000 euros, buy Suzuki Generation 2, cost somewhere around 6,000. Buy that Proboost Turbo Kit, and after that you get over 300 horsepower street bike, what costs somewhere near 10,000 euros. That rear fairing is from 0403 1000 GXR, because we have a lot of spare parts from that model. So I know it looks good. There's like 1300 plus turbo. And then we have extensions here. We ordered these from eBay. I don't remember, they weren't like expensive, like a couple €100 or something like that. This bike is designed to do burnouts and drifting. Normally Hayabusa revs somewhere near like 11,000, but this we have dropped the max revs to 10,000, so you can do burnouts and hit the rev limiter. You ain't gonna harm the engine anyway. Yeah, this is quite interesting because we left the old original speedo here, and there is like the turbo pressure meter up there, so it's like looking like fighter jet. Now you guys are saying that why did you leave this big original meter on it? We left the original meter on it because we wanted to make sure that this will work, and if there is some problems, you will have the lights here, you will have the codes here, and it will tell you if something is wrong. So we wanted to keep this meter on it because we wanted to make sure that it will work when we film it on our TV program. But you know, some weird way I have started to feel that, you know, maybe it can stay there, you know. There you can see the turbo. Yep, small pipes, racing pipes. Original Hayabusa have a subframe a little bit lower, like that. So we did this stupid looking racer here. So now it's a little bit upwards, so it looks better. But you know, we had 5 days time, so maybe in the winter time we can tune and make it better. But the main thing is that it works. But the best thing about this bike is how it sounds, and maybe rest of the video I won't even talk because listen to it, it's beautiful. I turn the mic now. Yeah, of course this isn't like the best place to test ride bike like this, but maybe someday we will go somewhere where it's like more space. But anyway, you get maybe idea, and you can listen what kind of sounds this beast makes. Yeah, we got also sifter. I forgot to tell you that we got sifter also. Yeah, you don't need clutch when you're shifting up. We are always using it. This is good bike to do like stunt drifting also. The best thing is when you come off from the throttle and it makes that so always when you're doing burnouts you want to do like pump the throttle because it makes and that is like the best sound ever. I know that this place what we have isn't designed to bike like this. We have to go somewhere where it's like big area or to the track with this, because after all that is like 300 horsepower bike, and a small place like this it's completely retarded, but you know it's not street legal. We can't go on the roads, so we could go, but you know cops will rape us after that. Best bike what we have ever had. Insane bike. Maybe someday we will go to like on a track or on a art field to film these. Thanks for watching. Very awesome, pretty fast. Keittää.